Video 365. We're trying to be able to save and load what we're working on in our MMO. And let's look at the code we have so far added in Video 365. The source code is right here. You're on this playlist right here. If you want a longer explanation, go here. In the canonic constants section, we have sectioned off this piece of pre-existing code and labeled it canonic procedure enums. All of this code existed previously, but now it has a comma in front of it rather than the const keyword in front of each of these because of the way we've kind of formatted this. So these are all still constants, and we have added these two new constants, one for the save central level pack procedure and another for the load central level pack procedure. When we do the Konami code plus a certain alphanumeric key, we will invoke save center and load center procedures. We have not written those procedures yet, but we're kind of stubbing in the framework for how that's going to go down. Here's what we did previously, and then here's our footnotes for what we did in this video. So all we did was added constants to identify our debug procedures for saving the central level pack and for loading the central level pack. So saving the central level pack, loading the central level pack. You've been here. If you want to go to a longer description, go here. I'm filming video number 365 3 times in a row on 3 playlists. Pick whatever works for you. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.